All right, so Friedia is a little bit under the weather today, and Everest, they're both feeling sick. They took a 3-hour nap.
I thought you said 2.5 hours.
Oh, it was probably like 4 hours. I was just being nice. No, they took like a really long nap, which is good because they needed the rest. So we're finally getting out of the house today around 7, and we're gonna go eat some Korean, what is it, hot pot?
Sundubu, yeah.
Sundubu. And it's good for her throat and Everest's throat. So we're gonna go head out there right now, and this is the vlog. We're here, Everest. Do you want to eat? No? Do you want to eat at this place?
No.
No? You just said you wanted to eat.
He was just pointing up to the side.
Do you want to eat?
Here.
You want to eat here at this place?
No.
What do you want to do? You want to go eat?
No.
Okay, we're gonna go eat. You want to go eat?
eat.
Want to go eat in this spot? Why not? Oh, that was weird. Just a minute ago, what did he say?
Eat this one.
Yeah, we pulled up and he says, eat this one. And then now he's saying, what do you want to do? You want to go eat?
He's being camera shy.
Aw, I'm being camera shy. I love you, buddy. Let's go eat, okay? Oh, now you want to go in there? You want to go eat in there? Yeah. You changed your mind? Okay, it's kind of a big door, though. There we go. We're getting this. It's a bowl full of all kinds of deliciousness. Look at the spice level. You can go up to danger level spice. This is me right here, plain. I don't even know about mild. I'm scared of mild. Danger level. Would you do danger level? No.
I think that'll hurt when you go to the bathroom.
Probably, but I mean, if you're sick, that'll clear everything out.
Should I have gone danger?
Maybe. I mean, look how many is that? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spices. But this place looks good. I'm gonna try it out. Alright, the best thing about Korean food is it comes with like all this extra stuff. But this is gonna be a nope for me.
It's so good.
What's it? Maybe I'll try it. I'll try it.
Everest likes it. Your son eats it.
I mean, I like fish. This one's just like, I don't like things that like
just do this.
could be looking at me. Give him his privacy as I dissect this part. Okay. All right. We'll see. Everest, do you like the fish? Do you want the fish? No? Okay, the camera's not on. Hey, you want this, buddy? Look. Want the fish? No? Look at this hot cauldron of soup. I'm excited.
Very excited.
Is this good for your throat?
Yes, and it's good for your body too.
Yeah.
It has like kimchi and tofu and all that good stuff.
Man, I'm excited. Fortunately, this guy didn't make it. His friend over here, he might get through the night, but he didn't make it. So, all right, here we go. Let's hot pot it up. How was the dinner? Was it good? What's that? Is this the shell? We found this shell at the beach the other day, huh? And he's been carrying it with him everywhere. Here you go. Here's your shell. You're gonna hide it in your pocket? Put it in your pocket. Shh, it's a secret, okay? It's a treasure. Don't let anybody take it. Alright? Don't let mama take it. He said, oh, don't let anybody take it. They're gonna get the shell. They want to take your shell. Alright. Where to next? Where do you want to go next? You trying to give that guy your shell? Oh boy. One fish didn't make it into our mouths. Oh, Friedia might eat it still. This guy got devoured. Where to next? Guess we'll go do some shopping, huh? Shopping. Shopping. You want to go to Starbucks? What did you say, Starbucks?
Starbucks. Go.
Go. What do you like to get at Starbucks?
Starbucks. Go.
Do you drink coffee?
Huh?
Do you drink coffee?
No, that was other applesauce.
You like, oh, you get applesauce at Starbucks? That's true. Mom and Dad drink the coffee, and then you drink the applesauce. We're out shopping. We need to get some coffee. You say coffee?
Coffee.
Can you say café au lait?
Coffee.
Café au lait. That was pretty good. You said it pretty good. Café au lait. Which coffee should we get? Which one should we get? You want the one that has donuts on it, huh? This one has donuts. You want the donuts? Yeah? You like donuts? We don't even have this kind of coffee maker. You just like the donut on there, huh? You gonna take it? That's so much coffee. You're gonna drink the coffee? No? You're gonna eat the donuts? Let me see you eat the donuts. Eat the donut on there. Eat the donut.
Okay.
Show me you eating the donut.
Yeah.
Oh, he said he wanted the donut. Alright, let's put that back.
We found out that Everest likes going through tunnels. Huh, buddy?
Wanna go to the tunnel?
Yeah. Yeah?
Ready to go through the tunnel? You excited? Here we go, we're going to the tunnel.
There's one tunnel coming up. Ready? Here it goes.
Oh, the tunnel.
We're in the tunnel. And we're out of the tunnel. Back.
You want to do it again?
Yeah. Now he's even making tunnels at home so that his little choo-choo train or his toys can go underneath. It's really cute.
Yeah, he'll stand over them and make like a bridge out of his body. It's really cute.
Yeah. All right, so it's 9:16. We just got out of the supermarket and now we are heading back home. Are you ready for bed? No.
No,
Are you ready?
Because you napped for like 3 hours.
You don't want to take a bath and go to bed? No. Wow. Too bad, so sad. Oh,
I heard a yawn.
I heard a yawn too. All right.
You might get into bed earlier than we thought.
Yeah, here we go.
All right.